Alrighty, it's time for math. Today is Monday, May 18th. Yes, you have this. We have this letter right here. It talks about what we're going to be learning. Telling time, shapes, okay? Cutting things in half, symmetry, making sure they're equal, doing equal parts. So time, shapes, geometry, okay? Building things. Two-dimensional flat shapes and three-dimensional shapes that pop out. Building things with shapes, cutting things into equal parts, measuring things. You can measure with paper clips. We also gave you a ruler. Don't forget we gave you a ruler, okay? And this one you can try, but you need a brad for that. So cut this out. And in the classroom, these always tear. We put it onto cardstock. Room 10, I sent home plastic clocks. I think some of the other teachers tried to send home plastic clocks if they had enough left over, okay? We tried to. So you could try to cut this out, and you're going to need a brad fastener. That's one of those little, it's kind of a gold color, okay? And you poke it through here, and then it goes in there. You can try it with paper clips, but these always tear. They're really tiny, and they tear. And we cut them out. We cut them too, kids cut them too skinny, and then they tear, okay? So you can try using this, but oftentimes it doesn't work because the paper's too thin, okay? So going on to here. All right. Read the clock. Write the name on the digital clock. The short hour hand is on the 2. The long minute hand is on the 12. Whenever the long minute hand is on the 12, we say o'clock, and that means 00. I'm going to write it in blue, the color code, and match it. 12 o'clock means 00, okay? In clock world, I know that's weird, you're not going to write 12. Nope. If the blue hand is on the 12, you're going to put 00. So you already have part of your answer. Look at that. You already have part of your answer, so it should be easy. Okay? Now, all you have to worry about is where the red hand is. The red hand is on 9. It's 9 o'clock. The red hand is on 6. It's 6 o'clock. The red hour hand is on 8. It's 8 o'clock. The red hour hand is on 12. It's 12 o'clock. The red hour hand is on 3. It's 3 o'clock. The red hour hand is on 10, so it's 10 o'clock. The red hour hand is on 1, so it's 1 o'clock. The red hour hand is on 7, so it's 7 o'clock. The red hour hand is on 11, so it's 11 o'clock, okay? Now in the classroom, we would use our little play clocks, and we go round and round. I'd show you different times, and we call it out, but we'll do the best we can since we're just learning from home, okay? Now you're going to draw the hour hand on the clock to show the time. See, they already gave you, look, they already gave you, oh, that's interesting. Look what they did. Okay, so they already gave you the long minute hand. You don't have to do that part. It's telling you 4. So 4 o'clock, short hour hand on the 4. 5, so short hour hand on the 5. 10, so short hour hand on the 10. 8, so short hour hand on the 8 for 8 o'clock. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, okay? And they already did the 00 for you for the minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour, okay? And when time starts over again, that's the confusing part. When time starts over again, it goes back to 0. It goes 60 minutes and then starts over. Notice it goes to 12, okay? And starts back over again. It goes to 12 and it starts back over again. So there's no 13. So when the minute hand hits 12, it goes to 0. When the hour hand hits 12, after that, it goes to 1. And it goes round and around. It's not a number line. It doesn't keep going. It just starts over again, okay? Look at the hour hand that Puzzle Penguin drew. Am I correct? 3 o'clock, and he put it on the 9? No, 3 o'clock means it needs to point to the 3. He went the wrong way. They already did the long minute hand for you. They did the long minute hand for you, okay? All right, and that's it for that book. So let's get into our koala bear with no linker cubes. Okay, go ahead and pause for a screenshot if you need to. And koala bear with no linker cubes. All right, draw lines to match the time. Three o'clock, I'm looking for 3. There it is, pointing to 3. Short hour hand pointing to the 3. Let me say long minute hand is on 12. Don't worry about it. 12. Long minute hand is on 12, which means 00. I know that's weird that 12 means 0, okay? But this is clock world. long minute hand is on 12, so it means 0, 0 for 12 for o'clock. Long minute hand is on 12, so it means 0, 0 for o'clock. So this part of the time means o'clock. O'clock. Okay? Cover that up. O'clock. Something o'clock. Something o'clock. Something o'clock. Okay? 5. It's on the 5. Oop, there it is. Okay? 10. 6. 2 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 6 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. We're just paying attention. And if you want to color code it, we can. There's that red time to the hour. There's that red. That's that little red one we were doing, huh? And on the other page, remember, this part was blue. Okay, this part was blue. And that's that long minute hand. Okay, and let's turn the page. Go ahead and pause for a screenshot if you need to. Okay, oh, sorry guys, that whole video was not showing that on there, was it? Sorry guys. Okay, 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay. All right. Writing the numbers from 101 to 120. We have our number grid. Where's my number grid? How far does mine go? Oh, my number grid only goes to 100. We're going to have to use our brains for this one. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Wish I had a pencil. 111, 112, 113, 114. Mrs. White uses the pencil, doesn't show up very well on here. 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. Draw matching lines to compare. Ring the sentences, ring more or fewer. More dogs? Yep, look at dogs and balls. There's more dogs. There are more dogs. Match, 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 match. So that means there are fewer balls. Fewer, less balls. Fewer balls. How many? 1, 2. 2 more dogs than balls, and 2 fewer, 2 less balls than dogs. Okay. Elena picks 7 red peppers and 8 yellow peppers. How many peppers does she pick? 7 plus 8 equals what? Super easy. 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we're doing our Math Mountain. And peppers is what we're counting. We are counting peppers. And we got a fact family there. It is 3 o'clock. Where does the hour hand point on an analog clock, okay? So, analog clock is this. This is digital. Analog is the round clock, and they call it a face. That's the clock face. Analog and digital. Analog and digital, okay? So it's 3 o'clock. Where does the hour hand point? On the analog clock, it points to the 3. Okay? And go ahead and pause there for a screenshot. Okay, see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.